Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairperson jong National Commission for Women Karikha Sharma habakran shakilat thai khobor mendagat pratarik unaitung arjar pasau kalaong bakinong tre nak menta gajing baha ke Imlang ka Sahlang ni kiseng bhalang ki tre shisha nak menta banyale Pyrshah yu Drok ni ki tre nak menta tang banyo ajimentoy yalade Karikha Sharma kalaong ru baki riu shimet kimdei ban shimkhya tang nak menta banya khun Pyrshah nak gajing jale udrok hendai ki dei ban shimkhya ru banya khun Pyrshah nak menta ban ajing ada nak gajing sha thombor ki kenthei
responsible for that.
Highest, more than 11% is there.
See, it's sometimes it is government's responsibility and sometimes it is society's responsibility also. What is society doing? Are you doing some programs for controlling drugs, or society people are also only selling for their own benefit? Why they are not aware that they are ruining the generations? Why they are not aware that they are only thing is that these days people are only bothered about making money, and that's how we say that society is degrading. They are not thinking about their own responsibility, putting all the responsibility on the governments or on the organizations. Their individual responsibility they forget. I think this is high time that individuals should stand up and have the responsibility on their shoulder to not only control drugs but also crime against women. Thank you.